idol and then you become. I don't know.
I don't know why games don't let you do title matches online, bro.
I know that would be crazy.
Like just for the aesthetic of it, bro.
Yeah, that would be dope. That would be too dope
Where
if
you
we
wanna
could do
fight at
that.
Double Rampage, Double or Nothing, Revolution,
Let's fight that. Let's fight that Rampage. We could fight that
Rampage.
Rampage. Yeah. Yeah, this is my first time playing online on this boy. It was snap.
I done what like I'm four and three. I've done seven matches.
You played against random or you played against your
Yeah,
boys?
randoms online. But with
Okay. How
CM
was
Punk, I've
that?
never played with Malakai, but it's dope how every character has their own record, online and offline.
Oh, that's dope. That's dope. Oh yeah, I see. I see. Yeah.
13-time World Tag Team Champion. He's the TNT champion for you?
Yeah. He just got that. I'm trying to make him double champ.
That's how it shows me that he's your champion, though. WWE don't even do that.
Jeez.
Hey, yo. Chip, chip, chip.
Oh, slam him, bro. Come on. There we go. I'm like, dude, do a move, son.
Hey,
Oh,
no,
get him in the wire.
no.
How's he dodging that? No. Oh my god. That's
Look at
crazy.
all the blood, bro.
I know. That shit gets stuck on the fence too. That shit's crazy. Wow, what? That's crazy.
I'm trying to put you through the table.
I
Mm.
can't reverse that. Do you have to click the same button to do that shit?
I
Or is it
think
like,
that goes under grapple. That's LB.
oh, okay, okay, okay.
Hey
I
yo.
was at head. That shit hit my like toe and
Hey
shit.
yo. Yo.
Oh wow.
Oh man, I was right there. Come on, both of us.
Oh, you try going to top rope.
Oh shit.
Uh,
Oh look, you don't get electrocuted. I wonder if,
yeah.
oh.
Oh, got his ass.
Yo.
Oh shit.
Yo, Jeff. I was joking,
Nah,
Jeff.
nah,
I was just
nah.
joking.
Fuck.
Yo.
That shit is cruel as fuck. Oh shit.
No, 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 no.
Ah,
Hey, yo.
Rebel. Rebel. No, I'm in the back.
Ah!
Oh no. Oh
Yo, yo, Jeff, I was
no.
just playing, bro.
No. He's getting on the. He's getting over there. There you go.
Bro,
Ah.
it was just for the show. I wasn't serious. The beef wasn't real.
Oh shit. What was that, Joe? Come on. Oh, we grabbed him. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. He's going.
Uh-oh.
He's going to the top rope. No. Oh my god. I got an injury? No. That was so far. That was, yo, he counted so fast. Yo, he counts it so fast, bro. He didn't even give me a chance. He said 1, 2, 3.
He did though. He did. He counted
Hey,
fast
yo.
as shit.
Bro, he didn't even give me a
Oh
chance.
snap! Let's get it. GG, bro.
I'll
That
do
shit was
another match, but I
funny.
want to switch characters.
Alright,
Let's see
bet,
if
bet.
rematch. Okay, never. Okay,
Oh,
fuck
they
it. Let's
didn't
do it
let us
again.
rematch?
Whatever. Let's do it.
Ah, he hit me first. Bro, what? Alright.
I thought I reversed that.
Oh, that boy said, what? What the fuck? I'm not reversing these moves, are I? Oh, got him.
I thought I reversed that. The thing popped up. You got the circles that pop up when you reverse things?
Nah, my joint's blank. I ain't got nothing. I'm just quick as shit.
But I thought it was supposed to show you when you were supposed to press it. It shows you if you did it or not. So it's like,
Nah,
there's really no
nah. Oh,
point
you
of
talking
it.
about? It's like a big ass circle sometimes.
Yeah.
It's like sometimes. It's not all the time for me. I'm just like, I don't know if I'm clicking it too early and getting lucky or something. Ah, no way. That was nice.
No.
That's in there. Come on. How's he dodging that? Get out of here. Woo. No, how did he punch me into that? That was cool as fuck.
Got his
Oh
ass.
shit. No.
Get your ass in there.
Yeah. No. 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 No.
I got him in the corner. Oh, the kicks don't land anymore.
No. Get up, Jeff. No. He's pointing. Come on, Jeff. Oh, got him. Damn it, how?
He's in the
What
corner.
the
He's
fuck
gonna
is
blow.
that? Ah,
I don't
damn,
think
I
there's
should've.
no. I don't think there's any avoiding that. I don't think there's any
For
avoiding that.
real? I'm gonna go top row next time we do this. I'm gonna see if we do it. If it does it. Fuck me, man.
Yo, how can you get out the ring here? You can't get out the ring.
Probably not. I
Let
don't
me see if
think
I can
so.
throw you out the ring. Throw him.
Hell no.
Throw him out the ring.
Bro, it's 1 point. Are you serious?
Cause look,
No.
there's things outside the ring too.
What?
How will you interact with that barbed wire outside the ring if you can't get out the ring?
Hold on. Is it?
Yeah, look at the mat outside the ring.
Oh
Look.
yeah. How do you gotta change it in the settings or something?
Hey yo,
Damn.
hey yo.
My bad. Bro, the hitting mechanics is crazy.
Say word.
Oh shit. Oh no, like what? One kick, bro? You serious, bro? That shit is
Hey yo.
crazy. Ah, get off me.
No. Chill.
Grab him! Bro, that shit, I gotta learn how to do that. It's over. It's over. I swear to God. It's over. Cause the running shit be, what? Oh, I thought it was, that should say damage for you.
Hey
Hold on.
yo. Hey yo. Chill. Yo, chill. We
Come on, get
friends,
him
bro.
up. What? Ah, no!
Yo, that was his finisher. That shit didn't even knock you down. You just ran into it yourself. He just ran into the barbed wire.
Bruh. What the fuck, yo? No way. No way. Get up there. Come on, man. There we go. Mother.
Yo, chill. No.
No way.
Get up, Malakai.
Please get on. Yes.
No.
No. No, bro. That damn kick. I swear to God, bro. Come on.
Oh my God! You hit me in the middle of my finisher. No way, bro.
No, let's go.
How you hit me in the middle of my special? No, 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 no. Holy shit, bro. Hey, yo.
Come on,
He missed. I don't.
That shit still count.
Yo.
That boy Jeff is undefeated.
Hey, yo. Jeff Hardy's elite, bro.
If you're like me, you are out of breath. What a great match we've had tonight.
Holy shit, bro.
Barbed wire.
Good shit, bro.
Crazy. GG,
Alright, back
bro.
out so we can switch characters.